Hello and welcome to another episode of Kenyan Cuisine. And today we're preparing matoke, a typical meal amongst the Kisii community. In this recipe, the combination of green bananas and meat yields a very delicious dish that is enjoyed within the entire family. It's mainly eaten without any accompaniment and it's served during lunch or dinner. Let's make it. For this recipe, I'm using 6 bananas, which I'm going to remove the apex and the tips as shown in the video. Then I will wash thoroughly with running water to remove the excess dirt. Then I'm going to run a knife through the green part of the banana to allow easy peeling once done boiling them. Remember not to go deep. Once done, I will arrange the bananas in a sufuria like this, then add salt and water to the brim. Then I will cover and let it boil till I can run a knife through. For spices, I will use 2 pieces of seasoning cube, 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Also, I will use 2 medium-sized onions, half a kg minced meat, 250 grams of plain yogurt, and 2 medium-sized blended tomatoes. And now I'll check on my bananas, and once they are ready, I will drain excess water and let them cool down. I will heat some oil over a medium heat, and if you're using aluminum cooking pot, let the oil heat a bit longer because the meat tends to release some water once you start frying. But if you're using a non-stick pan, don't worry. I will stir fry my meat till it is nice and brown. Then I'm going to add the spices mentioned above and mix to combine. Once the spices have infused, I will add some onion, mix, cover and let the onion cook. And now I'm going to add the blended tomatoes and let the sauce simmer. So let's peel the already cooked bananas and make sure the green stuff come out completely. Once the sauce has thickened, add plain yogurt, though coconut cream will give a better result. Mix well and add the pre-boiled bananas as seen in the video. Now cover and let everything cook for around 15 minutes. And now our matoke is ready. Garnish with some green spring onion. It adds a little flavor to your dish. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode of Kenyan Cuisine. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video to your family and friends. And until next time, take care, enjoy. Bye.